Thank you for watching the Finance and Affirmations podcast. I appreciate you being here. Make sure you click the subscribe button so you'll be alerted when I post new content. Enjoy the episode. Over the past few weeks, I've been having conversations with people and clients about the importance of critical conversations as it relates to life insurance. A lot of people don't like to talk about this subject because they feel like they're putting bad energy into the universe if they do, or if you're talking about covering expenses for maybe an aging adult, sometimes people feel like, wait a minute, are you trying to get rid of me? I know there are all those kinds of things that go on and thoughts that go through people's heads. However, it is an important conversation to have. So I would suggest that you begin having these types of conversations as soon as possible. You can call a family meeting. You can get together with your siblings to talk to a parent. You and your spouse or partner can get together and decide what you need to do to cover your assets and leave wealth to your kids. And so as I've been having those conversations, a very easy tool to protect your assets came to mind. And many times people either forget about this or they don't know about it. So I want to talk about that today. And what it is called a payable on death form. It may be an actual form. It may be something that you can go online and just add to your account. So what it is a form or a process that lets you assign beneficiaries to your accounts. That's your checking accounts, your saving accounts, CDs. Typically, if it's not a retirement type of account, it doesn't automatically have beneficiaries assigned to it, but you can do that for yourself. And the reason this is important is because upon your death, if there is not a beneficiary assigned to those assets will have to go through probate. And we know in a variety of states, that's a very long process. So in order to avoid that, you can do a payable on death designation, okay? And so one of the things that I found when I was trying to do that, if you have a local banking institution where it has branches, sometimes they won't let you do that online. They require you to come in and fill out those forms. So you need to check with your lending institution. If it's an online institution, many times they will let you do that directly online. So with one of my online accounts, I went there, I found the section where it said beneficiaries, and I added the beneficiaries to my account. It was really easy. So know that each lending institution is going to be different, but make sure you contact them to see what their process is so that you can get started. And remember, if you have multiple accounts at one bank, you will need one for each and every account. Okay, so that's an easy way for you to protect your assets and make sure it goes to the dependents that you want it to go to. All right, so that's all for today. I know this one was quick, but I want to make sure that you are doing everything you can and that this is a part of your overall financial wealth building plan. All right, see you later. Blessings. I hope you enjoyed watching the Finance and Affirmations podcast. If you haven't already done so, click the subscribe button. Until next time, blessings.